Welcome! It's Liam again. Today I'll show you how to use filters to customize your view and streamline your workflow. First, let's explore the basic filters. These filters help you sort and focus on specific data within your story map. The persona filter is located above the goals when you enable the Show Personas option in User Settings. To sort by persona, click on the persona icon and select the personas you want to observe. Next, we have the Goals filter, found in the Goals section. Click on the filter icon next to Goals and select the goals you want to focus on. The Release Sprint filter is located in the Swim Lanes section. Click on the filter icon above the swim lanes and choose the releases or sprints you want to view. Now, let's move on to the JQL filter. This allows you to create custom filters using Jira query language. To create a JQL filter, click on the Create Filter button. A dialog box will open where you can enter the required fields to set up your filter. In the dialog box, there are the following details: name, filter, JQL, filter epics, and mark this filter as default. Write a query in the JQL field to define your filter criteria. Check the Filter Epics option to include epics to your filter, and mark as default to make this filter always active for normal users. Once you've entered all the details, click the Create button. Your custom JQL filter will now be added to the story map and displayed beside the Create Filter button. And that's how you use filters in ProductGo. For more detailed guides, visit our documentation. Thanks for watching.